Air has dust and smoke. Learning about how our air gets polluted. What a beautiful day! Why am I feeling suffocated? There's so much dust in the air. Ramu Kaka, how many times to tell him not to raise so much dust while sweeping the yard? At least he could sprinkle some water before doing that. These vehicles seem to be releasing so much smoke. Those old buses are spewing black smoke. I really need to learn more about this. When we burn something or light a fire, smoke goes up from the fire. Factories give out smoke. Our vehicles, like buses and cars too, give out smoke. This makes our air impure. Dust flies up when we run and play. Dust flies up even when we sweep our homes. Dust goes up into the air when the wind blows too. Air is all around us and it takes up all the things that we give out from our homes and with what we do. Air that contains dust or smoke is bad for us to breathe. It can harm our lungs. Dust particles also carry disease germs which can make us ill. When we cough or sneeze, germs go into the air and join the dust particles. The dust particles help these germs reach other people. That is why we must use a handkerchief to cover our mouth and nose when we sneeze or cough. How can we help preventing our air from getting polluted? We can sweep our surroundings, and it would be better if we sprinkled some water on the ground so that the dust does not rise. Many modern homes have vacuum cleaners. Vacuum cleaners suck in the dust and cobwebs, and so dust does not rise in the air. Nowadays, vehicles have to undergo pollution tests to ensure that they do not pollute the air. Factories should undertake measures to reduce the smoke they release. This can be done by treating the smoke. Using smokeless fuels like CNG and not spitting also helps. How can I, as a little boy, or you, as little children, help to keep our air from getting filled with dust and smoke? We can travel by bus or train and even go to school in our school bus. A bus or train carries more people and so less vehicles pollute the road. We can walk or cycle to go somewhere. It is more friendly. Our electricity is made with fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These fuels pollute our environment. We can help save on electricity and then save on pollution by using only the light we need. Switch off your lights and fans when we don't need them. We can also help by throwing less things into the dustbin. What can be reused should be kept back. Let's look at some things we can make with things we would have thrown. Summary. We've learned how dust and smoke can make the air impure. Did you know that we have a friend that can help clean the air of all the pollutants we throw up? Trees can really help clean air. Not only do they give fresh air, but they also help clean the pollution that we throw in the air. Grow more plants and trees whenever you can and be an environment buddy.